So before you book your next trip for 2025, you're gonna wanna stop and watch this video, because in this video, we're gonna tell you about a sale that's coming up that you're not gonna wanna miss on. And no, it's not Black Friday sales, nor is it Cyber Monday. In fact, it's actually Travel Tuesday. So today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Travel Tuesday in 2024. So we're gonna be highlighting some of the best deals to expect and breaking down some tips and how you can maximize those savings. So without further ado, cue the intro and let's dive in.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, your go-to guide for travel. And so if you love insider travel tips, deals, hacks, and just overall reviews on resorts and hotels, you're gonna wanna make sure you hit that follow button for more travel tips and adventures for that stress-free, budget-friendly events for you and your family. So without further ado, let's get into today's video on Travel Tuesday. So kicking things off, what is Travel Tuesday? Let's start with the basics. So Travel Tuesday, again, is the Tuesday following Thanksgiving. So right after Black Friday and then after Cyber Monday. So this is the day when airlines, hotels, travel companies, etc. roll out exclusive deals that are only offered on this day, and they're better than the ones you'll find on Black Friday. So it's quickly becoming one of the best days of the year to book travel, especially if you're looking to book those last minute deals or planning that final trip of 2024. So to give you an idea of some of the savings you can expect, let's look at some of the deals from last year to put things into perspective. So for last year, Spirit Airlines actually offered 85% off some of their base fares. Celebrity Cruise Line had a deal with 75% off the second guest and up to $500 of onboard credits. Hilton and Marriott offered up to 20% stays on bookings during this sale. And so these are the kinds of deals that are perfect, especially if you're flexible on the dates and destinations. So let's go ahead and talk about the anticipated deals in 2024. So based on some early insights and insider information, we expect Delta Airlines to offer some discounted international travel plans going from the US to Europe and or Asia. We also expect Southwest Airlines to offer up deals anywhere up to 30% off on select domestic flights. It is also heard that JetBlue is going to offer reduced fares and bonus TrueBlue points for Travel Tuesday bookings. So speaking of bookings, not just airlines, but cruises. So Royal Caribbean and Norwegian cruise lines are anticipated to roll out buy one, get one free deals with onboard credits. These ones are gonna go fast. Also, with booking companies like Expedia and Priceline, they're set to offer up to 50% on select bundles. So you're gonna get some international locations like Europe and or the Caribbean. All right, now that you're excited about some of these deals, let's make sure you're prepared to take full advantage. So let's go over some tips. So tip number one, make sure you sign up for select newsletters, subscribe to airlines, travel platforms to get those early notifications about those deals, because there may be a time limit associated with them. Make sure you also set up price alerts. So use tools like Google Flights or Hopper to monitor fare drops. A big one here, not often realistic, but be flexible with your dates and destinations. So being open to the different travel dates can help you find the best deals. Another tip is leverage your loyalty program. So earn points on your bookings for additional travel perks. So being a member oftentimes has hidden perks. And then finally, if travel credit cards is something that you are interested in, maybe consider maximizing your savings by using those credit cards. You're gonna get travel rewards, cash back, so it's gonna be a deal plus some added advantage with bonus miles, etc. So there you guys have it, Travel Tuesday 2024 in a nutshell. And this year we anticipate some huge savings, but we wanna make sure that you're prepared. We wanna make sure that you are prepped and ready to go so you can maximize the savings. So go into it with the strategy. Go into it knowing what deals you're looking out for, what dates you're willing to negotiate for, to be sure that you can maximize that saving potential. So whether you're ending 2024 on a trip or you wanna book for 2025, we highly encourage you to pay attention this year on December 3rd for Travel Tuesday. So if you like this video, please consider giving us that big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button for more travel tips and adventures, and most importantly, remember, life's an adventure. Where are you going on?